Hello everyone. So today we will learn how to use countifs as formula in Excel. So first of all we will understand that what is the meaning of countifs as formula in Excel. So whenever there is only one condition is given to count anything, that time we will use countif formula in Excel. But whenever there are more than one condition to count anything, that time we will use countif as formula in Excel. Now we will understand that how to use countif as formula in Excel by solving one question. So that question is, how many Spanish speaking countries that are located in South America can be found in the. So there are two conditions given in the question. First of all, we need to count the country that is speaking Spanish and that is located in the South America. So for that we will use countif as formula in Excel. So we will write equal to count if s tab. Now we need to select criteria range 1. So I will select all the continent, comma. Now I will write the specific continent in double exclamatory mark, that is South America. Comma. Now we need to select second criteria. So I will select all the languages, comma. Now I will write specific language in double exclamatory mark, that is Spanish. Now press enter. So you will find that only there is one country that is speaking Spanish and located in South America. Now to better understand and to practice this formula, I have given one more question in the downside, that is how many countries have population greater than 100 million and area less than 10 lakh square kilometer. So please solve this question and please give me the answer of this question in the comment box. Thank you so much for watching my videos.